Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Install It Right. In today's video, I will show you how to install Zed Editor on Windows. So Zed is a fast and modern code editor. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google and type Zed Editor and press enter. Now click on the official website, that is z.dev. Now click on the download now button. You will see different options like for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Select the Windows version and click on the download now. The download will start. Wait until the installer file is downloaded. After the download is complete, click on the .exe file. Minimize the window. Now the installation window will appear. Accept the agreement and click next. Choose the installation location. I will keep it as default and click next. Now click on the create a desktop icon and click next. The installation will take a few seconds. Once it's done, click finish. Now let's open the Z editor. Double click on the Z icon. Z has opened successfully. No project or file is open it. That's why the editor looks empty or blank. This is the default start screen of Z. You just need to open a folder or create a file. So that's it for today's video. This is how you can download, install and open Z editor on Windows. If you face any issue during installation, let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Install It Right for more easy and step-by-step installation tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.